Hi, good morning. How are you? Um, yeah, patience is a virtue. Thank you for being here with me as I'm working through the kinks of all this. You know, like when you start something new, there's a big learning curve, right? So there's a lot of things that you test out, things that work, things that don't work, right? So thanks for being patient. Thanks for being here with me. That's cool. And please mind your intentions and your energy. Don't fuck with me. Thank you. I'm gonna say that once. So let's see what's going on here. I was definitely picking up that something that's going on in the spiritual realm. Like something about the warring that's going around, right? It's been going on for a while, right? Just something specific about that, or that needs your attention. Maybe that's why you feel so tired. You know, it's like you go to bed and you wake up in the morning and you're like, what the hell? I feel like I've been hit by a truck. I feel like I just ran a marathon. Yeah, you're probably in battle, right? Divine consciousness. Nice collective energy. Wow. And limitless on the bottom. And then compassion. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting heavy that someone's like been warring in the spiritual realm. Had to learn the hard way. So, but I think this made you stronger, right? It's almost like you were drafted, right? You were called to battle in the spiritual realm. That's, whatever. Take what applies. Don't make it fit if it's not for you. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do a free poll. Just want to see what's going on. So, I'm definitely tapped into the collective energy right now. Divine consciousness and limitless coming out. So it's a nice combination. So I'm getting the feeling of someone kind of being pushed to the edge. Okay. It's like you're standing like on the edge of this cliff, right? It's like everything that you used to know, used to be, 333, is standing behind you, and then standing in front of you is just limitless potential, right? Limitless. So it's like you've had this. So it's like you've had an awakening, right? Some type of divine intervention or divine intelligence that you connected with, right? And yeah, it's kind of showing you that like options are limitless. It's like you're discovering that you can create your own reality, right? Or it's like keep seeing the temperance angel, right? Okay, stubborn, right? So you could be a little reluctant to change, right? Because this is a huge change too, right? This is going from everything you knew to just saying, okay, I'm going to take a leap of faith into 444. Thank you. You're going to take a leap of faith into something that's just completely new, right? And the possibilities are limitless. You have no idea what it's like you can't really see, but you can like intuit, right? But it's also you get this feeling that I don't. You get this feeling that you need to take this leap, though. You need to go off this edge of the cliff, right? You're definitely nervous that it'll be like a hiccup, right? Um, and then it'll be just like something else that you have to kind of just remove from your life, right? But I don't think that's the case. I think it's like there's definitely good luck around you, but you create your own luck. So in some sense, this awakening, this divine intelligence connection that you've made it's really like wow. Sometimes I feel like there's maybe I need to learn a different language, and then like the words will come out, because sometimes English doesn't have like the right words to express the feelings sometimes. Yeah, wow. Tap into your gifts. Okay. So you have some type of gift regarding your language. Okay. So do the work and tap in. You got this. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's really interesting. Okay. Now I know it's time to pull from a different deck. We'll go back to that. Let's get back on track here. Okay, so we have new moon and fire. So when's the next new moon? It's the 30th, right? The eclipse. And that's in Taurus. When's the next new fire moon? New moon in Leo, right? Would that be it? Is it the next fire new moon? It's like in August, so it's important. Article number 8, right? We have Limitless here. And there's that Infinity too, right? Which is sideways 8. Okay, so wow, good fortune. Okay, so what's going on here? Let's look at a card here. What's going on here? What does the collective need to know? Something about the home relating to this new moon. There's new beginnings around like passionate new beginnings around the home. Okay. I'm getting big changes around the home. Could take up to August to actually make changes or implement changes. Yeah, it's like there's a lot that's being cut out, right? Released. So, what else here? What else? Yeah, it's like it's time for you to go on your path. Divine collective, beautiful people. For real, it's time for you to go on your path. And this eclipse is going to, or really it's this stage, this phase in your metamorphosis, right, in your transformation that you're going through. It requires precision and it requires focus, right? Like more than ever. Right? It's like, where are you putting your energy into? Like, how are you expending your energy? And it's like I don't want to say that there's not outside help for you, because there's always help available. 10-10. But what I'm saying is, this is like an inside job, right? Like, just as you had this awakening or this whatever type of cosmic interaction, you did that on your own, right? So this path, this journey that you need to take, you need to take this on your own, okay? And it's about you going within, right? So it's definitely more of a time of going within, okay? So be mindful if you're looking too external or too much externally for signs, because there's limitless signs within you. It's just, you have to, it's not that you have to tap in, because you're already tapping in, and maybe you don't even know that you've been. That's, remember when I was saying about like understanding your energy, knowing what your energy is about? You have to have the courage to take these, to implement the change, right? It's all about the courage. It's all about courage. And it's like there's going to be so much change, and courage is like, that's like strength. So that's Leo. So definitely something about Leo season 2, where you could be a Leo. Or there's something about the house that Leo rules in your chart, okay? I'm also getting something about the home too. So, alright, let's get a card. Okay, thank you. Nature spirits. Wow, that's beautiful. And a message, okay? So, nature spirits have a message for you. It's definitely a good time to get grounded. It's about the heart of the home, okay? There's something about the heart of the home that's significant or needs your attention. So, or is this the heart of you? Right? Okay, so there's beauty in simplicity. So maybe there's a need for you to not be a minimalist, but kind of like go through your stuff and, do I really need this? Like, what is the use for this? Until you kind of do that, you don't even realize like how much shit that you actually have, and that's taking up space, right? It's consuming like energy, right? Where you could be making room for things that you're conscious, that you consciously want or consciously are working towards. This message card is a 3-3-2, so heart-to-heart conversations you down. I'm taking this is literally the nature spirits are speaking to you. And they have messages for you, right? It's like, how many more chances? It's like the nature spirits have been speaking to you, whomever I'm talking about. So this could be the tree spirits. This could be fairies, gnomes. Yeah. Take action. Yeah. Heart-to-heart conversations. So I'll put that down here. And then there's pain. This pain has purpose in the bottom. Okay, so there's something that you need to take action on, and it's like these nature spirits have this message, like they want to have, like, it's a deep message, it's like a heartfelt message. So it's definitely something about the home, the heart of the home. I keep hearing home is where the heart is, right? Whatever this was, it was a lesson and a blessing. That's great. What else we got going on here for collective? So this is a powerful message already. So it could be that you need to learn the communication style of these nature spirits, okay? Because the two different color greens here, and this is more like a dark olive green, but then this green right here is kind of more of the color of like the heart chakra frequency. And something's going to shock you, right? This realization may piss you off. Okay, so something might shock you, might piss you off. It's like whatever heart-to-heart message that they have. You know, it's like the final warning. Wow, and good guidance, yeah. So it's like you've been praying for good guidance, and they've been, even like the birds too, the birds that live in the trees, and certain bugs and animals, they all have messages for you, right? Wow, unsent messages the universe supports. Yeah. Yes. So, wow, that's really beautiful. And if you're confused on that, or confused on messages from these nature spirits too, your dreams reveal the truth. And your dreams reveal the truth too on whatever realization this is that is going to piss you off. Yeah, here's stubborn again. So be really mindful. Okay, so it's like there's this. It's like the universe has been hinting at you that there's necessary destruction that needs to happen, right? Yeah, again, your dreams reveal the truth. And you really are connected, right? It's just there's some kind of disconnect, or maybe and it's about the heart, right? The heart has to be open, right? Be open to receive. All eyes on you. Maybe that's what's pissing me. It's like the pressure. So what's got wink wink? I'm telling you, it's like this is giving me like the universe is giving you like a little push, you know? It's like, come on now. and they're using it through nature spirits, right? You'll never see a rose without thorns. Yeah, and good guidance yet again, okay? So it's like your beauty lies in your scars, right? Your beauty lies in all that look roses again. Your beauty lies within, you know, you're beautiful because of your pain, right? You're beautiful because of everything you've overcome, right? And you're precious, okay? You're absolutely precious. So you have to have thorns. It's a means of protection, right? You have to up your protection. Maybe there's some type of protection that these nature spirits are trying to offer you also, right? Yeah, there's some type of transition going on here, okay? You know, it could be these nature spirits are helping with this, you know, like this transition of, like I said, because you have to take some type of leap of faith, right? And it involves leaving everything that you knew behind, right? That includes like beliefs and ideas, right? Yeah, I'm just getting that you're not really. It's like the reason why something's disconnected here is because the heart's not open. Or it's open, but it's not all the way, right? Watch the clouds, okay? That could be important. Wow. Yeah, nature is definitely working with whomever. Yeah, again, watch the clouds and then strength. Look at that. So, yeah, watch the clouds and focus on the good, okay? Yeah, this is a really powerful message. You have a decision to make. Yes, you do, right? It's are you gonna jump? Are you gonna take this leap of faith? You know, and to say that you're not supported is not true because it's like you have the backing of these nature spirits, right? It's like you just need to open your heart and be open to receiving this type of message, right? And it's like this message holds a lesson in it as well as a blessing, okay? So and that's like true growth, right? You have to stretch, right? You have to spread your wings and fly. Let's see, is there something else? Yeah, there's nothing left to wait for. Yeah. I was gonna say this. Forgive. Okay. Um, so like forgive yourself, right? I believe in you. Yeah, it's like maybe that's clear cut what these nature spirits are trying to communicate to you too, right? It's like you can't trust your gut. Okay. It's like you can't trust your gut with these nature spirits too, right? It's like they're trying to help you here take action, all right, on you leaving everything behind, right? And this is leaving your old self because you haven't been yourself, right? It's like you're leaving your old self, but it really wasn't even you. So you have to make room for that, right? Um, and there's a need to forgive yourself and believe in yourself too, right? You fucking got this. But yeah, trust your gut with these nature spirits, okay? It's like they might, there's strength again too. Yeah. And pray before you get the message. This is important. Wow, well, I don't even want to pull any more cards. Believe in miracles. Yeah, I don't want to pull any more cards because this is an absolutely amazing message, okay? Yeah, be mindful of self-sabotage, okay? But believe in miracles. You have the strength to overcome the self-sabotage, right? You have the strength to forgive yourself, right? And to believe in yourself, you know? And again, you do have people in your corner, whether maybe it's just not the people that you are used to seeing, right? Um, because any kind of regret is really just blocking off the heart, and that's the main blockage here of what's um, impeding the delivery of this blessing, of this message, okay? But again, trust your gut. Absolutely trust your gut, okay? Yeah, all right. Thank you. Have a blessed day.